Welcome to this training module on safely installing and operating your Phoenix Thera-Lase System, a cutting-edge, FDA-cleared Class 4 cold laser therapy device. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to operate your system safely and effectively. Let's get started. Let's go over the checklist to make sure all of the key components are included in your device. The Phoenix Thera-Lase System is comprised of 4 parts. First, the laser diode module, referred to as the laser system. That is the larger box. Then the remote control touch screen system is the blue box. Make sure that you have your stylus pen, and we'll go over that a little bit more later. And double check that you have your fiber optic delivery cable and handpiece, which is the orange cable attached to the back of your laser system. Lastly, but most importantly, let's make sure that you have your protective eyewear. You'll have 2 cables and 2 power cords. You will also have an interlock key. The laser diode module, referred to as the laser system, is the brown unit. And then the remote controller touchscreen system is the blue unit. The fiber optic delivery cable and handpiece is the orange cable. 2 cables and 2 power cords. Before you begin, ensure the following. The device is plugged into a grounded power source. The laser probe is securely connected to the system. The treatment area is clean and free of obstructions, as there are vents on every side of your laser system. Your protective eyewear for both the laser technician and your patient. And now you're ready to power on your Phoenix Thera-Lase System. For laser system activation and programming the monitor, use the stylus pen that comes with your device. First, insert the interlock safety key and turn it from off to on. Make sure the emergency red button is released. Next, you're ready to turn on the power source to your laser system as well as your controller. Wait for the system to complete its startup self-check. This may take 15 to 30 seconds. The screen will display the main menu once it's ready for operation. First, go to Laser Status on the remote control panel. We're going to set the power output for your patient's condition. For this training module, we're going to set it to 62 watts of power. Next, you will navigate up to the right corner and select Repeat. So click on the On Time icon and set it between 50,000 to 60,000 milliseconds based on your power output, again, of up to 72 watts of power. Next, click the Repeat Counter icon and set max counter to 100. This manages the number of treatment points available before needing to reset the counter. Before activating the laser, let's prepare your patient. Ensure the patient and technician are wearing safety goggles. Position the patient comfortably in the treatment area. Next, inform the patient about what to expect during the procedure. This is not required, but it can be helpful. You may want to clean the skin at the treatment site to remove any debris or lotions. Before activation, we recommend that you prepare the fiber optic orange sensor cord and probe by wrapping it around your neck and shoulders to give you a greater range of motion. It's recommended for laser technicians and the patient to wear industry-grade protective eye gear. The system is now ready for activation. Now it's time for activation. First, press the Ready icon to initialize. Next, press Guide On to enable guidance. Third, Press the emission on icon to activate your laser. All right, we're going to do a short demonstration for you. This is Kristen. She weight trains quite a bit. She has a little bit of discomfort in her knee, especially in her meniscus area. I'm treating Kristen at 62 watts of power, which is between 7-8 inches of penetration. These are the things that set the Phoenix Thera-Lase system apart from others, is the wider beam, the deeper penetration, and the high output of power. All right, Kristen, you ready? Yes. Once treatment begins, maintain 10 to 14 inches away from the treatment area. You will want to gently paint the affected area. Periodically, touch the patient's skin to monitor temperature and ask them how the heat level feels. For patients with neuropathy, they may not accurately be able to tell how hot the laser temperature is getting. If the skin becomes too warm, move the laser slightly further away from the treatment area. Or adjust the power settings on the monitor for the patient's comfort. Once the laser treatment has concluded, it's time to power down your Phoenix Thera-Lase system. Press emissions off. Second, press guide off. And lastly, press stop. Once the treatment is over and you have deactivated the emissions on your laser system, it's now time to power down your system. First, be sure to turn off the blue monitor. Second, turn off the laser system. Now this order is very critical. Always the blue monitor, the control system first, followed by the laser system. And lastly, come to the front and turn your interlock safety key to off. Should there be a need, there is also always an emergency off button that will automatically power down the system regardless of the steps that we just covered. If an error message appears, turn off the monitor, the blue unit, and reboot it, or contact technical support at Phoenix Thera-Lase Systems. Remember, proper use ensures effective treatment and patient safety. For additional resources, refer to your user manual or contact our support team at Phoenix Thera-Lase Systems. Thank you for watching and happy treating.